Hello and welcome. Today, we're exploring how to instantly double your freelance productivity. Does it feel like your days are a constant struggle against distractions, endless to-do lists, and unexpected interruptions? Do you spend hours working but feel like you're not making meaningful progress? As a remote freelancer, you might lose up to 20-30% of your productive hours simply because you lack clear time boundaries. This isn't just about working harder. It's about recognizing that your current methods might be the bottleneck. Many of us believe we can simply power through tasks by sheer will, but our daily work is a complex interplay of when we're energized, when we're distracted, and how our environment shapes our attention span. Without understanding your individual patterns, you risk misallocating your energy. You might be putting effort into tasks that drain your energy instead of leveraging your unique skills at peak times. Focusing on the wrong tasks at the wrong time can reduce the quality of your work. Without recognizing your natural time blocks, you might be spending precious energy on tasks that could be streamlined or shifted to less challenging periods, leading to inefficient work and increased burnout. Even busy people can unlock hidden pockets of time if they take the effort to track it. Yet many rely on ad hoc to-do lists or email reminders, which often leave tasks unmanaged and priorities blurred. This reactive mindset keeps you stuck putting out fires instead of proactively controlling your workload. What if you could unlock significant productivity gains, not by adding more hours, but by working smarter and aligning with your natural strengths? Imagine gaining deep insights into your natural strengths and bottlenecks, learning a systematic method to analyze and optimize your workflow, and being ready to build your personalized time management blueprint. This starts with understanding your workflow DNA, decoding your habits, and building a personalized blueprint that works for you. It involves assessing your daily routine by mapping out your day, keeping a simple log of activities, energy levels, and moods. Then, pinpointing strengths and bottlenecks by looking for periods when you consistently score high energy and focus. These are your peak performance windows. Identify times when interruptions or low energy levels cause delays. These are the blocks you can work on improving or reshuffling. Experts reinforce that understanding and leveraging your energy cycles can improve overall productivity by up to 20%. The key idea is to create a systematic review of your work process, much like diagnosing a car before a long journey. By using digital time tracking tools, you become aware of where your energy is going. This clarity transforms your daily routines, allowing you to allocate time more effectively. Tools like Cloggle, Clockify, and Rescue Time offer insight. Instant productivity boosts by focusing on identifying your optimal time blocks. This means pinpointing when you're most focused and when you need a break, so that every minute you work is used where it truly matters. It involves a self-assessment of daily energy, tracking task types, start/end times, and energy ratings, then analyzing and identifying patterns to find peak period. You can then create your optimized schedule, reserving high energy blocks for deep work and creative tasks, and incorporating recovery blocks or lighter tasks during low energy intervals. Implementing methods like the Pomodoro technique, adapted to your unique energy flow, can provide focused bursts paired with refreshing breaks, transforming your workday into an orchestrated rhythm. Instead of rigidly sticking to traditional intervals, you customize them based on your concentration span and schedule dynamic, active breaks that truly recharge you. This aligns with adherence to undistracted work periods, amplifies creative and cognitive output. Furthermore, leveraging automation for efficiency can instantly save time. Setting up email filters, scheduling social media posts, and managing notifications removes mundane tasks, freeing you for higher impact activities. Experts urge cutting out unnecessary tasks by automating them. Identifying productivity blocks, both external and internal, and addressing them head-on is crucial. This involves a focused self-audit, categorizing distractions and brainstorming solutions, like setting boundaries or breaking tasks into smaller parts. If you're ready to stop just being busy and start being truly productive, discover the methods to instantly double your freelance productivity. Find a detailed video linked in the description below. For those seeking the complete roadmap to implementing these powerful strategies, the link to the full course is also in the description. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit the like button, share this information with anyone who might benefit, and subscribe to the channel today for being among the first ones to learn about the strategies.